So let's see an example problem. So Alpha Associates has the following details. Fixed cost is equal to rupees 20 lakhs. Variable cost per unit rupees 100. Selling price per unit is equal to rupees 200. So find the break-even sales quantity, break-even sales. And if the actual production quantity is 60,000, so find contribution and margin of safety by all methods. So in the given data they have given fixed cost as 20 lakhs rupees and variable cost per unit as 100 and selling price per unit as rupees 200, and also the production quantity is 60,000, right? So fixed cost is FC, variable cost per unit is small v, and selling price per unit is small s as we are taken in this problem, and the production quantity as capital Q. So we have already seen about the break-even quantity, break-even sales, contribution, margin of safety, and all other formulas, PV ratio and everything we have seen already in the previous video and also in the Google Classroom. So here first one is the break-even quantity. So here we have fixed cost divided by selling price minus variable cost. So all the data are given, and now you can find the break even quantity in units. Okay, so the second one is the break even sales. So for break even sales, that is fixed cost divided by, that is your selling price minus variable cost per unit, means that is break even quantity into selling price. So here selling price is 200 rupees. So now you can find the break even sales in terms of rupees. So for contribution, we are knowing contribution is the difference between the sales and variable cost. So here they have given only the selling price. So selling price is 200 and they have given the unit, that is a quantity separately, that is a production quantity. So here in the given data they have given 60,000. So you can multiply it with 200, that is with the selling price, so that you will get the sales. And for variable cost, in the given data they have given only variable cost per unit, right? So but here in the contribution we need only variable cost. So what we can do is that we are supposed to multiply it along with the production quantity, that is 60,000. So here your variable cost per unit is 100, so 100 into 60,000. So in short we can say that contribution per unit is equal to selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit, or contribution is equal to sales minus variable costs, whereas sales is the selling price into production quantity and variable cost is your variable cost per unit into production quantity. So now it will be in terms of rupees. So for margin of safety, we already saw in PV ratio while solving in PV ratio. I think you can just check out the video. So here we have two methods, means not like a method. So margin of safety, the one is that margin of safety is equal to sales minus break even sales, right? Another one is margin of safety is equal to profit divided by contribution into sales. So in the first method you can use sales minus break even sales. So here they have given only selling price per unit. So don't forget to multiply it along with the production quantity. Okay, so minus break even sales. So break even sales we have already found in the section B, I think. So you just check it out. Okay, so you will get the value in terms of rupees. So next is margin of safety is equal to profit divided by contribution into sales, and we are knowing profit is equal to, that is the sales minus fixed cost plus variable cost per unit into production quantity. So again here margin of safety will be in terms of rupees. So to find the margin of safety, profit, so profit we got 40,000, right? So that also in terms of rupees. So for 40 lakhs, I'm sorry, so 40 lakhs, so 40 lakhs divided by the contribution. So here the contribution amount is 60 lakhs, right? So 40 lakhs divided by 50 lakhs into sales. So here the sales is 60,000 into 200. So you will get in terms of rupees, and next we have to get it margin of safety as a percentage of sales. So for that we can have margin of safety divided by sales into 100. So you will get in terms of percentage.